Now that your show is scheduled, it's time to add some detailed product listings into your show. Within the live show you just scheduled, head to your live listings by tapping the shop icon. Next, tap the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. Start by uploading high-quality photos that show off your item's best angles. Listings with good photos will draw interest from buyers before your show goes live, and that'll help interested buyers browse your entire selection of products. Categorize your product accurately. This helps people interested in your products discover your show. Next, enter a straightforward title that tells viewers what product you're selling. Add a description to give more details. Depending on the product category, you might have some extra fields available to add more precise details. Choose your sales type here, between auction, buy now, or giveaway. Here, we're going to create an auction item. Enter the starting bid price and shipping profile. Choose an accurate weight for the item you're shipping. Tap Publish to add your item to your live store. Your listing is now ready for your show. For more tips and tricks, visit selleracademy.whatnot.com.